Alright, y'all, so I've been working on the tiny cabin project a little bit. Let me show you what I gotten done so far. Okay. Dug a pond today. Put a couple little plants in there. Got a couple little levels here. Yeah, I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna go about filling it and making the water look somewhat decent. And then I built a little bench, whatever, for the bonfire. Just messing around, split some wood. Started to fill the loft in, but I gotta get back on that yet. I just got all kinds of bullshit in here. But yeah, starting to feel like a little cozy little homestead, huh? What do you think, Megs? Not bad.